What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports, and today we're going to show you some of the products that we use when we clean our razors or any of our side-by-sides after a ride. A few basic tools: pressure washer, foam cannon, and the cleaning solution that we use. So we'll go ahead and get set up, and we'll show you how it's done. But thanks for watching the video. Click like and subscribe, please, and let's get into it. Okay, so there's a few things that we use when we're normally doing our cleanup after a ride. First is just a quick electric Ryobi pressure washer. Just easy to clean up and plug in, not have to worry about going to get gas every time. Plus these are just 1600 psi, so you don't have to worry about your stickers coming off. Next is our foam cannon with All Clean. We use All Clean solution, and it just works real good. So we've been super happy with it. So we'll go ahead and spray this thing down, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then blast it off. Yeah, so normally you want to do it in the shade, let it sit for 10 minutes, but you can see it's already peeling the dirt right off. It's some really awesome stuff. Again, it's All Clean. Okay, so when that's all sprayed up, you're just gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and come back and put on a medium pressure tip, and we'll be able to blow this thing off and it'll be good to go. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and spray this off. So we're just going to use our orange lightweight tip here. It's not that high of a PSI, it's a middle tip. And this stuff should peel right off now. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you do have a lot of caked on dirt, you can let that stuff sit for about 10 minutes, and then we'll give it a quick wash down, foam it again, use a sponge if you need to. Obviously this time I didn't need to, but that's normally what we would do if it was really caked on, or some of the coal dust that we have up here in the Northeast really gets packed on there. You don't want to use it in direct sunlight. If you let it sit, it actually just hardens everything up even worse. So do it, sometime in the evening or early morning, not in the sun, and yeah, you can basically see the results. It just peels the stuff pretty much right off. So now we'll pretty much go on the interior with just a regular garden hose, finish up everything that we need to finish up, and then just wash everything out the drains on the floor, and that's pretty much it. So if you need to, you can get a hold of us at teamfasmotorsports.com or shoot me a message on Facebook, and we can get you set up with a gallon all clean. It comes in a 1 gallon and 5 gallon buckets. So yeah, just give us a call and we'll be happy to get you hooked up with some. Thanks for watching. If you can, hit like and subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with all of our new videos. Thanks again.